This week we're talking about tips for data validation. Use the expression builder for creating validation when feasible. Set validation rules from the table design or table sheet view. When form validation error occurs, don't use a modal dialog box to overly explain the condition. Make use of an OK, Next, or an Apply button. Make logging of data validation errors an option, not mandatory, since this extra logging will limit the database performance. Regarding content, only give the user just enough data to complete the input operation. In the design of the layout fields and controls, think of it from a user perspective, not from a designer perspective. Validate errors as user types. For example, use the setErrorMessageText property, where a user can put in numbers instead of text. Also, validate errors on the form control change, the use of the onChange property, which will limit the user to correct the error before going on to the next control. Remove non-relevant data. Adding pre-populated drop-down controls will limit the errors that can be allowed if you let the user use free-form text controls. Lastly, analyze use of default values. Yes, it makes it easier for the user who will sometimes just take the default instead of looking at the selections for a more valid selection from a drop-down box.